You're watching Midland Public Library's Maker Book Series. I'm Jennifer Whipp, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. I'm coming to you every week with a collection of books and other resources to help you explore a new maker hobby or skill. This week's maker hobby is home design. Midland Public Library's collection has books on essentially every home design topic you can think of. We have books on home design basics, and we have books on kitchens and baths. We have books on how to make your house more homey, including How to Make Your House a Home by Ariel Kay, Make Life Beautiful by Sid and Shay McGee, and Live Happy by Courtney and Dave Wilson. Need a little color in your life? We have books for that too. We have books specifically on color in home design. We also have a book on salvaging secrets, flea market design, how to refurbish your old junk, and city farmhouse style. Want to check out other people's homes before you redesign your own? We have books for that too. Whatever home project you're tackling, we probably have a book for it. And let's face it, we're all stuck at home anyways, so now's the time. Quickly, I want to talk to you about 4 specific books, starting with Sarah Richardson's Sarah Style, an inspiring room-by-room guide to designing your perfect home. What I love about this book is that Richardson has broken your home down room by room. So there's a chapter on each room of your home. From the entryway to your kitchen, you're going to find a chapter for each room. In each chapter, there's also sections and themes for each room for you to consider. There's tips and tricks related to each room, and if you really love the style of the room, Richardson has also provided you with a small swatch giving you the colors, patterns, and textures of that room. So when you go to copy it, you know exactly what to look for. Next, I want to show you Sabrina Soto's Home Design. Unlike Richardson, who broke her book down room by room, Soto breaks her book down layer by layer. Soto's book is organized into 8 layers that you can apply to any room you're designing. Starting with understanding and planning your space, moving to layer number 2, which is choosing your colors, onto the 3rd layer, which is selecting your surface treatments, into number 4, which is integrating storage to organize your space, to number 5, which is editing your furniture, number 6, selecting your textiles, to number 7, illuminating your design, and finally, number 8, accent your interior design. She gives you tips and tricks for each layer so you can build a room from the ground up. If you're not interested in redesigning a whole room or your whole house, and you just want to add some unique and personal touches to your home, then I highly recommend Janet Crothers' A Well-Crafted Home. In this book, Crothers gives you 60 different DIY projects. You'll find the supplies list, all the tools you need, pictures and step-by-step instructions, as well as the skill level required for the project. So you could work your way up from being a beginner DIYer to an advanced DIYer. Also, all the projects in this book are organized room by room. So if you're looking for something to spruce up your living room, you can find it in that chapter. Looking for something for your kitchen, there's a chapter on that too. Last but certainly not least, I want to introduce you to Lydia Sloan Klein's SketchUp for Interior Design. SketchUp is a 3D modeling computer program that you can use for 3D printing actually, and it's the software that we use here at MPL when we're designing our 3D printing projects. However, it was originally intended to be used by interior designers and architects. By following the step-by-step instructions in this book, you'll be able to design and decorate your dream home digitally. So, if you're someone who needs to see it to believe it, this book is certainly for you. To explore these books further, check out this week's virtual Maker Book Series display. You can find it at bit.ly/Maker Book Series. In the virtual display, each book is linked directly to our catalog, so you can place it on hold for curbside pickup. You're also going to find other how-to resources and video tutorials to help you pick up home design. Thanks for watching this week's Maker Book Series video. I'll be back next week with a new collection of books and other resources to help you explore a new maker hobby or skill. Bye for now, Midland.